Hey everyone! If you're thinking about a home addition or remodeling, I'm going to share 20 important upgrades that really add value to your house. These tips will help you improve your space and get the best return on your investment. Let's jump right in. One, additional bedroom. Adding a bedroom gives you more space for family, guests, or even a home office. It's one of the top things buyers look for. 2. Master suite addition. A bigger master bedroom with a private bathroom makes your home feel like a retreat and adds a lot of comfort. 3. Open concept living areas. Removing walls to open up your kitchen and living room creates a bright, spacious feel that's perfect for modern living and entertaining. 4. Updated kitchen with high-end appliances. A nice kitchen is the heart of the home. Upgrading to quality appliances and modern finishes can make a huge difference. 5. A bathroom or half bath. Extra bathrooms reduce morning rush hour, stress, and make life easier for families and guests. 6. Energy-efficient windows. New windows help keep your home comfortable by blocking drafts and lowering energy bills. 7. Hardwood flooring. Hardwood floors look great, last a long time, and are easy to clean. A smart upgrade for any room. 8. Finished basement. Turning your basement into usable space like a family room, gym, or guest area adds valuable square footage. 9. Expanded garage or carport. Extra garage space means more room for cars, tools, or storage, which many homeowners appreciate. 10. Outdoor living space. Deck or patio. Adding a deck or patio extends your living space outdoors, perfect for relaxing or hosting friends. Before we jump into the top 11, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. If you find this helpful, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. 11. Modern HVAC system. Upgrading your heating and cooling keeps your home comfortable year-round and can lower energy costs. 12. Updated electrical panel. A modern electrical panel handles today's tech needs safely, reducing the risk of overloads. 13. Smart home features. Smart thermostats, lighting, and security systems add convenience and peace of mind. 14. Built-in storage solutions. Custom shelves and cabinets keep your home organized and clutter-free. 15. High-quality roofing. A new roof protects your home from weather damage and boosts curb appeal. 16. Kitchen island or breakfast bar. An island adds counter space and creates a natural spot for family and friends to gather. 17. Luxurious bathroom upgrades. Think walk-in showers, soaking tubs, and modern fixtures that make your bathroom feel like a spa. 18. Energy-efficient insulation. Good insulation keeps your home warm in winter and cool in summer, saving you money on utilities. 19. New or upgraded front door. A fresh front door improves your home's look and helps keep your family safe. 20. Custom closets. Built-in closets and organizers make storage easier and give your home a polished feel. And there you have it, 20 upgrades that can really boost your home's value while making it a more enjoyable place to live. Whether you tackle one project at a time or go big with multiple upgrades, each step brings you closer to your dream home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home improvement tips, and share it with someone who's planning a renovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.